Question number 8 of exercise 22.1. Okay, they are saying a particle P moves in a straight line so that its displacement from a fixed point O is given by S equals to t cube minus 3t square, t cube minus 3t square minus 9t plus minus 9t plus 30. Okay, this is the thing given to us, right? And they are saying that we have to find or we have to calculate a part, speed of particle. I have to find at t equals to 2 seconds. I have to find speed of particle at t equals to 2 seconds. Okay, and they are giving us the displacement equation. So we know that in order to find speed or velocity, I have to differentiate s with respect to time, and this will become 3t square minus 6t minus 9. Okay, I have first differentiated it. Velocity equals to 3t square minus 60 minus 9. Okay, now 3 2 square minus 6 2 minus 9. So 2 square will be 4, 4 3 are 12 minus 6 2 are 12 and minus 9. When I will simplify it, result is going to be v equals to minus 9 meter per second is meter per second, and they are asking for speed. So in speed we don't consider the negative or positive sign, we only consider the magnitude. So speed of body will be 9 meter per second. Speed of the body will be 9 meter per second. Okay, B part of the question is saying that we have to find acceleration of P at t equals to 4. I have to find acceleration at p equals to 4. Okay. So first of all, I have got the equation of velocity, and I know that the acceleration equals to differential of v with respect to time. Okay. So this will become 60 minus 6. 3 to the 6, 60 minus 6. So acceleration now at t equals to 4 second, 6 into 4 minus 6 equals to 6 4 the 24 minus 6 will be 18 meter per second square. That's your answer of this part. In C part, they are saying that we have to find distance from A. I have to find distance from A when body was at rest, means the velocity was 0. Okay, the velocity was 0. I have to find distance from A. How will I find that distance? First of all, I have to find at what time the body was away from the velocity was 0. So this is my velocity equation. V equals to 3t squared minus 6t minus 9. Okay, putting 0 over here, 0 equals to 3 t square minus 2t minus 3. So this will become t square minus 2t minus 3 equals to 0. T square, simplifying it, minus 3t plus t minus 3 equals to 0. Taking common, t minus 3 plus 1 t minus 3 equals to 0. So the value of t will be either 3 or t equals to minus 1. This cannot be possible. So at the velocity is 0 at t equals to 3. Okay. Now I have to find the distance from A. So what will I do? First of all, I will put t equals to 3 over here. Okay. So S equals to 3 cube minus 9, sorry, minus 3 square. I'm putting values over here. Minus 9 into 3 plus 30. When I'm going to simplify it, the displacement is coming S equals to 3 meters. Now, you have to understand that what is going on over here. It was given like that the body is moving from O and then it passes from a point A. Right? So, and the calculation time at this point was 0. At this point, the body, when body is passing after this, they have started doing this one. Okay. So this time the t was taken as 0. So what will I do? Because it's away from there. So if I will like put zeros over here, this thing will be equals to 30 meters. Okay. This is given to me as at t equals to 3 seconds. At t equals to 0 seconds, the displacement is coming 30 meters. Okay. This is point O. This whole thing at t equals to 0, the displacement is 30 meters. At t equals to 3, the displacement is 3 meters. Okay. From point O. So it means the distance between A point and where my body's velocity is 0, what will be the distance? This is 30 meters. This is 3 meters. So the difference will be S from A will be equals to 30 minus 3 equals to 27 meters. Okay. And this is your answer for this part. Now, D part of the question is saying that we have to find average speed over first 4 seconds. I have to find average speed. I have to find average speed in first 4 seconds. And I know that average speed is equals to average speed equals to total distance upon time. Okay, so what will I do? Now, as they are saying first 4 seconds, and we have already done it in previous question, that in first 4 seconds, first of all, I have to find at t equals to 0, I have to find the displacement. After that, in that t equals to 4, where they are saying first 4 seconds, there must be a time where velocity was 0, and that is like my U-turn. So where my velocity was 0, my velocity was coming 0 at t equals to 3 seconds. So I have to find velocity displacement at s equals to, I have to at t equals to 3, I have to find displacement, and then at t equals to 4, I have to find displacement. So when t equals to 0, my displacement is coming. I'm plotting 0 over here. My displacement is coming 30. Okay. After that, t equals to 3. So when t was 3 and I plotted it over here, my displacement was coming 3 meter, and at t equals to 4, displacement is coming 10 meters. Now, after that, what I have told you, first of all, find their differences. Difference between 30 and 3 will be 27. Difference between 3 and 10 will be 7. Okay. What you have to do? Add these distances. So your total distance being covered is coming. Total distance equals to 34. Total distance is coming 34. And now we have to find average speed. So average speed is 34 divided by total time is 4. So when I will simplify this thing over here, my average speed is coming 8.5 meter per second, and that is the final answer for this question.